Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because Essentia team changed the exam process. Yes friends, now the exam is in the physical mode, means the exam is in the offline at different test center. So this video is all about the test process, and this video is related to this all important queries. As you can see on my screen that what about the physical test survey mail and note slots are available in the previous examination, so you are eligible for the examination. As you can see on the board as that what about the physical test preparation, cognitive coding test, and what is schooling period you are again eligible for test or not. And basically what is screening test, it is a system check, and this query is very important. No slots available, you are eligible for new exam. So in this video, we will discuss about all the important point. Let's start the video. First point is physical test process that I have to mention in this video, that what is a physical test process. So basically the physical test process is a offline examination. Okay. So physical test process is offline examination in which you have to go to a particular center and complete the examination. So what about the examination? Is the coding and cognitive exam is in the only 1 day or 2 day? So basically it will totally depends on them. Okay, it will totally depends on Accenture team. So basically what they will mention in the upcoming exam mail. But one of the most important point, why they conduct the system check or screening test before this. Okay, so basically screening test is very new. Okay, previously in the online examination there is a system check or there is a mock test examination is there. Like there is mock test conducted by Accenture team, but the screening test is new because it is new in the offline examination. So screening test is just a system check to ensure that your system is properly work or not, or it is compatible for examination or not. Because I think that they mentioned that you have to carry your system on the center to give the examination, but it is totally depends on them. Okay, whether they will allowed or not. बेसिकली कि वो ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं, जो सेंटर पे जो सिस्टम रहेंगे उसी पे आपको एग्जाम देना है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द प्रोसेस. ओके, so the Accenture examination offline examination process is, what is the physical examination? Physical examination is just a offline examination in which on the center there is a examination of cognitive and coding. What about communication assessment? So it will totally depends on them whether they will conduct the communication assessment in the center or not. Okay, we have to just wait for the exam mail. And exam is on the September last week and October first week, like 4 to 5 October is the exam date. In the September last week there is the examination. So don't worry about that, soon we will share the preparation video for all of you. Already we made a playlist on our channel that is related to Accenture. You can check the complete playlist in which we mention the complete process, related to syllabus, updated syllabus and pattern. So syllabus is not changed, syllabus is same for AAC role, and for system application service associate role it is mentioned on the website itself. Okay, so let's move on to the second query. No slots available, if you are eligible for new exam or not. Okay, so basically we know that previously we booked the slots and there is no slots available. So most probably Accenture team will decide they will send the exam mail to previous candidate or not. Okay, because the examination, previous examination is in the form of online. Okay, the examination is online, but now the mode is changed. Most probably exam is online. That's why we have to wait for the particular mail from the Accenture team. Don't worry, your application is already processed by Accenture team and soon they will share the update with all of you. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention, that I am taking this query as a fifth query, like what is a cooling period you are again eligible for test. So I have to mention there is a 3 month 90 days cooling period at Accenture. Okay, if you previously applied and if you are appeared for the assessment and interview of Accenture, so you are not eligible till 90 days. After 90 days you are eligible. But most of the important question is, you received the slot mail previously, okay, the slot is full. That I know that that is a some problem, that like a slot is booked and no slots is available, but we have to wait for the mail, okay, don't apply again, otherwise immediately they will send the rejection mail. I know that you are not appeared for the any of the examination or interview, but we have to wait for the Accenture team reply about the pattern of the new exam, okay, like about the previous slots, okay, like you are eligible for new exam or not, we have to wait, okay. Or soon I will talk to support team of Accenture, and what they mention I will show you in the next video, or I will share with all of you on the WhatsApp group. So basically like third query is, what is screening test? I already mentioned, it is a system check by the Accenture team, so don't worry about that. If you are new candidate, you are applying for ASC or system application service associate role, so definitely they will share you the screening test, because it is a process of offline examination, okay. So last query is, what is a cooling period? You are again eligible for test, so I clear that, that is a 3 month 90 days. So soon I will share one important video with all of you, that is related to interview results, like what about the interview results, is there any particular timelines or not, okay. So don't worry about that, soon we will share the complete preparation video with all of you, that is related to Accenture. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like and share the video with your friends. I hope this all queries will be solved, and if you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.